o'clock, two critical cases before the state Supreme Court this week could impact next year's election and voting rights. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Angela Taylor.
And I'm Rod Carter. What's unusual about this is the court is taking these cases up a second time after deciding on them just last year. Capitol reporter Michael Hyland is live for us tonight in Raleigh. And Michael, Republicans in the legislature pushed for this after their party won a majority on the court.
Yeah, they argue that when Democrats had the majority, they rushed some cases through to get the outcome that they wanted. But the groups that filed these cases in the first place say the only thing that's changed is who's on the court, not the facts. A historic week in North Carolina for justice and voting rights.
Cheating is usually done behind our backs. They're attempting to do this in front of our face.
The state Supreme Court held the first of two hearings Tuesday, reconsidering significant decisions the court issued late last year when Democrats still had a majority. Republicans now hold most of the seats and agreed to rehear these cases after Republicans in the General Assembly asked them.
They really weren't decided based on the law. Consistently, they were decided based on a particular outcome.
The first case, heard Tuesday, deals with how state lawmakers drew electoral districts, including for the state's 14 congressional seats. The court threw out the Republicans' plan, saying they unconstitutionally drew districts to benefit their party. Republicans argued the court overstepped.
This court simply doesn't have the authority or, frankly, the judicial tools to answer this question.
The court adopted new districts, which led to 7 Democrats and 7 Republicans winning last year. Control of the House is at stake in 2024, too.
North Carolina is ground zero for House control.
In addition to that case, the court will also reconsider a decision overturning the state's voter ID law as racially discriminatory. While rehearings like these are rare, Republicans said it was unusual for the court to speed up the process for considering cases when Democrats had the majority. But the people who brought those cases say these rehearings call into question the court's impartiality.
It's very sad that the court would reopen a case when none of the facts have changed.
If the court does reinstate the voter ID law, it's still not clear whether you would actually have to show an ID when you vote next year. There's still a separate federal case that's blocking that currently. Live in Raleigh, Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.